Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Here I am showing you exactly what I've been using for my press-on nail storage. So this idea consists of four main components. The first is a binder of your choosing. So I went with this clear acrylic one and filled it with acrylic sheets, which the double-sided tape doesn't stick to. I found these strips of double-sided tape in that sheet and that worked perfect for this project. And then the last and the most important thing are these clear acrylic slides. It can be described as Dexter slides, and that's what I've been referring to them as. But after you've gotten those four main things, you are ready to start organizing. The best part about this is that it fits 5 nails to a slide, so for traveling purposes, and I travel a lot, so this was really convenient, but taking a set of nails with you, if you wanted to go somewhere, you're not having to rip 10 of these out individually from a book, you're just taking 2 slides with you and then they travel really easy. And my older method of storing nails, you can see the background there, so it's cardstock with just 2 strips of double-sided tape. So if you're looking for something really inexpensive and fast, that is still a great option. I just do that and then I stick it in a larger container. A Ziploc bag would also work, but that is what I was using prior to this. And if you're new here and you want to watch me do the art for any of these sets, hop on over to my channel. I do upload weekly and all of the nail art featured here has already been uploaded, minus a couple. So the set that I'm actually posting right here, this is the first one that I ever worked on, so I don't have the videos for that one, but all the rest can be found on my channel. The last step here is just attaching this bungee cord that came with the binder, so that just kind of secures everything down, and then you are done. I used the first page here for all of the nails that I have created, and the second page for all the ones that I have bought, and I love this setup. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Let me know if you like this idea and you want to see more.